In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a battery on your Scion XB. This is going to be located in the engine bay. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the negative terminal. Pull straight up on the terminal and pull it out of the way, and be sure that it can't contact that negative post. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the positive terminal on the battery. Pull the terminal off, put it off to the side, remove the battery from the vehicle, install the battery down into place, install the positive battery terminal, get it fully seated on that post, snug it down. I like to give it a little wiggle, make sure it doesn't move. Install the negative battery terminal, snug down the bolt, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.